Hey Atlas contractors, Atlas has a great new tool for you to show the Atlas Signature Select roofing system inside the home. We want you to explain to the customer how you build a quality roof from the deck up. This new flipbook presentation is easy to use. You make sure that all the pages are towards the back, and then you start flipping them one at a time as you walk through the presentation, showing all of the ways that you build value into each layer of an Atlas Signature Select roofing system. The first and most important thing to talk to your customers about an Atlas roof is the fact that Atlas shingles featuring Scotchgard Protector come with a lifetime limited warranty against those ugly black streaks and stains caused by algae. Scotchgard is a brand that everyone knows and everyone trusts, and everyone knows that it means protection against stains. This is valuable and an important point to drive in the home when you're talking to your customers about the lots of different options that are available to them on choosing a roofing shingle. You have the power of Scotchgard Protector and 25 to 30 years of proven performance. Another important point to talk about before building this system is what you're going to do for them in building value by registering the shingle warranty. With Atlas, it's simple, so show that simplicity with this easy chart showing the benefits of Atlas versus other leading shingle brand warranties. Once you've established some important points on Scotchgard and how you're going to take care of them with the comprehensive Atlas Signature Select system warranty, it's time to show them everything that's going to go into building their new roof. The 7 components of a well-designed roofing system are laid out clearly for you. Inspecting and looking at the roof deck, ice and water protection, underlayment, starter shingles, primary roofing shingles, ventilation, and the hip and ridge. The first page, which is at the back of the book, talks about the importance of inspecting and replacing rotten wood on the roof deck. The next overlay in this flipbook is ice and water protection. After the ice and water protection comes our primary roofing underlayment. After the primary roofing underlayment, it's time to lay down our starter shingles. Then, shingles are applied. An important part of any well-designed roof is ventilation. Finally, we cap it all off with hip and ridge shingles featuring Scotchgard Protector. All the reasons that make you different and how an Atlas Signature Select roofing system builds a quality roof from the deck up.